Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does FYP mean on TikTok. So, let's get started. FYP stands for You page. It's the main page that you see when you open the TikTok app. The FYP is a personalized feed of videos that TikTok thinks you'll enjoy, based on your interests and past interactions. The FYP algorithm is pretty complex, but it basically takes into account a variety of factors, including the videos you've liked, watched, and shared in the past, the accounts you follow, the comments you've left, the hashtags you've searched for, the type of device you're using, your location. If you want to get on the FYP, create high-quality videos that are engaging and relevant to your target audience, use relevant hashtags, post consistently, and interact with other users. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.